Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box break. This was the 2014-2015 Upper Deck Series 1 box break number 5. Here's the last one up for auction. There's Edmonton. So the box is NE221260806. That's NE221260806. There you go. Good luck, everybody. Try and get through this as quickly as possible. All base pack to start out the break. Got a game jersey, Pecorino for the Predators. Got a Young Guns of Vincent Trocheck for the Panthers. Got a canvas, Mike Smith for the Coyotes. Canvas for the Blackhawks, Brent Seabrook. Young Guns, Patrick Brown for the Hurricanes. All base pack. A game jersey for the Oilers of Ben Scrivens. All base. Got a Young Guns of Teuvo Teravainen. There goes the Blackhawks. Hockey Heroes, Nicholas Lidstrom for the Red Wings. Shining Stars, Patrice Bergeron for the Bruins. All base. And Young Guns, Joey Hirschman for the Avalanche. Got a Young Guns canvas of Joey Hirschman for the Avalanche. Canvas for the Sharks, Thomas Hertl. Young Guns of Damon Severson for the Devils. All base. Shining Stars, Max Pacioretty for the Canadiens. Shining Stars, Claude Giroux for the Flyers. You got a clear-cut captains of Eric Stahl. It's number 99 out of 100 for the Hurricanes. Young Guns Scott Mayfield for the Islanders. And Hockey Heroes for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. The last pack. We got a Shining Stars, Mike Bossy for the Islanders. And then base, 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 and base to finish off the break. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.